The universe is almost 14 billion years old. It contains trillions of galaxies, countless stars, and worlds beyond imagination. Yet despite all our technological advances, some of the biggest questions about the cosmos remain unanswered. Scientists have landed robots on Mars, photographed black holes, and detected gravitational waves. But there are still mysteries so profound that they challenge our understanding of reality itself. Today, we're exploring 5 of the greatest mysteries of the universe that continue to puzzle scientists around the world. Let's begin. Number 1. What is dark matter? Look closely at a swirling spiral galaxy. Beautiful, glowing, and spinning rapidly. But if you apply the laws of physics, something is wrong. The stars at the outer edges are moving so fast they should be flung into the dark void of space. Yet they remain locked in their orbits. It is as if some unseen scaffolding, an invisible glue, is holding the entire cosmos together. What is this hidden force that defies everything we know about gravity? To understand this mystery, we must look at the true scale of the cosmos. Everything we can see, touch, and measure, from the glowing dust of distant nebulae to the stars, planets, and even our own bodies, makes up a mere 5% of the universe. The rest is shrouded in darkness. A massive 27% of the cosmos is made of dark matter, with the remainder consisting of mysterious dark energy. Dark matter is not just hard to see, it is completely invisible. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, rendering it entirely undetectable by our most advanced telescopes. It passes through ordinary matter like a ghost, leaving no trace. Yet its immense gravitational pull is the very anchor of the cosmos, shaping the growth of galaxies across billions of years. We are living in a universe built on a foundation we cannot see. What is this invisible scaffolding? Scientists suggest it could be undiscovered subatomic particles drifting through space. Others propose that our very understanding of gravity is incomplete. For now, dark matter remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of modern science, a silent ghost shaping the universe, waiting to be found. Number 2. What is dark energy? Imagine throwing a simple ball high into the air. You expect it to slow down, pause at its peak, and fall back to the ground. But instead, it suddenly surges upward, accelerating faster and faster into the deep blue sky, defying gravity. On the grandest scale of reality, this impossible anomaly is exactly what our cosmos is doing right now. For billions of years, gravity should have been pulling the universe back together. Instead, galaxies are flying apart at an ever-increasing speed. An invisible, silent force is stretching the fabric of space itself, carrying everything away into the dark. This cosmic acceleration was first discovered in 1998, when astronomers tracking distant exploding stars made a startling realization. They were measuring Type 1a supernovae, cosmic lighthouses of known brightness. Instead of showing a universe slowed down by gravity, the light from these dying stars was far too faint, proving they had drifted much further away than anyone expected. The expansion of space was actually speeding up. To understand this, we must divide the unseen universe. Dark matter acts like an invisible cosmic glue, using gravity to bind galaxies and stars together. Dark energy, however, is the exact opposite. It does not pull, it pushes. It is a smooth, repulsive pressure that fills all of space, driving galaxies apart. When scientists calculated the cosmic budget, the results were staggering. Normal matter, everything we can see, touch, and measure, makes up only 5% of existence. Dark matter claims 27%. The remaining 68% of the entire universe is dark energy. We are living in a cosmos dominated by a force we cannot see, touch, or fully comprehend. To explain this cosmic mystery, physicists look to 2 leading theories. The first is Einstein's cosmological constant, which suggests that empty space possesses its own inherent energy. As the universe expands, more of this energy appears, pushing space further apart. The second theory is quintessence, a dynamic energy field that flows through the cosmos like a fluid, changing over time. Yet these are still just mathematical models. The true nature of this cosmic engine remains completely hidden. We look out at the expanding night, humbled by the realization that 95% of reality is made of things we cannot see. We are only just beginning to understand the dark. Number 3. What happens inside a black hole? What lies beyond the ultimate point of no return? As you cross the event horizon of a black hole, space and time warp irreversibly. Behind you, the universe fades into darkness, pulling you into the absolute unknown. Deep within, the laws of physics collapse. Einstein's general relativity dictates a point of infinite density, the singularity, where space-time curves forever. Yet quantum mechanics protests, claiming infinity cannot exist. In this hostile arena, space and time may not end, but transform into something entirely new. Number 4. Are we alone in the universe? Look up at the night sky. In our galaxy alone, there are over 200 billion stars. Beyond that, 2 trillion galaxies light up the observable universe. With trillions of potential worlds spinning in the darkness, the mathematical odds dictate that we should not be alone. The cosmos should be teeming with the signals of alien civilizations. Yet when we turn our most sensitive radio telescopes toward the heavens, we hear nothing. There are no transmissions, no beacons, no signs of life. Only a vast, crushing, and deafening silence. This chilling contradiction is known as the Fermi paradox. If the universe is a fertile ground for life, why is the cosmic ocean so quiet? Scientists have proposed several haunting solutions. The first is the concept of the Great Filter. This hypothesis suggests that there is an evolutionary barrier so difficult to cross that almost no species survives it. If the filter lies behind us, we are incredibly rare. If it lies ahead, our ultimate test is yet to come. Perhaps civilizations naturally collapse under the weight of their own technology, destroying themselves through nuclear war, climate disaster, or runaway artificial intelligence before they can reach the stars. Another possibility is the sheer scale of the cosmos. The distances between stars are so immense that radio signals fade into static long before reaching another world, and physical travel takes thousands of years. We might not be ignored. We might simply be trapped in islands of deep space, separated by voids too wide to cross. Whether separated by distance or time, we are left looking at the same blank sky. This cosmic silence is not just a scientific puzzle, it is a mirror reflecting our own fragility. If we are truly alone, then every breath of life on Earth is infinitely more precious, a solitary spark burning in an infinite dark. Does this empty cosmos warn us of our own inevitable end, or is it a silent invitation to step out and become the voice that finally breaks the quiet? Number 5. What existed before the Big Bang? Imagine a moment before there was a moment. Before stars, before space, before time itself. What lay in the dark before the beginning? If time started with the Big Bang, does the word before even make sense? Perhaps time did not start at all. Some scientists suggest a timeless quantum state, where the universe had no beginning, like the rounded edge of a sphere. Or maybe our universe is just one breath in an eternal cycle of death and rebirth. Dark matter, horizon, dark energy, of other black universes holes, might alien civilizations, multiverse, and the mystery with its own what came before the Big Bang. As we gaze into these questions remind us that despite all we've learned, we still understand only a tiny fraction of the cosmos. The absolute boundary the universe is far stranger than we once imagined. Mystery that and perhaps the most exciting discovery of all is that there are still countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. Which mystery fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the wonders of space.
The end.